Hello everyone. Rumors about the launch of the most anticipated Yamaha trail bike are predicted to occur at the end of 2025. Oberdan Bezzi, who is known as a famous motorbike designer, recently shared a rendering image of the trail bike with the name Yamaha XT700 concept. And what the concept looks like, we discuss. This new motorbike is ready to face rivals in its class, namely the Yamaha XR700. Seen from the front, there is a round LED GRL fat bar headlamp with handguards. In terms of appearance, the Yamaha XT700 has been designed with changes that are not as radical as before. Looking more closely, the design still carries the retro motorbike concept with an all-round headlamp and stop lamp. The fuel tank is also TR drop styled and is also equipped with a thick biker seat. The engine uses the same base as other Yamaha motorbikes, namely the MT-07 Yamaha R7 and Tracer 700. For the Yamaha engine, this motor is capable of producing power up to 73.4 PS at 9,000 RPM. The power itself has decreased slightly with a power output of 74.8 PS and maximum torque of 67 Newton meters at 6,500 RPM. The current design and specifications are still in the concept stage. The Yamaha X700 design concept was created by Oberdan Bezzi. Even though there has been no official confirmation from Yamaha regarding these rumors, the enthusiasm of trail bike fans has started to flare. Many are waiting for the arrival of the Yamaha XT700 as an attractive choice for adventures in various terrains. If these rumors are true, then the launch of the Yamaha X700 at the end of 2025 could be a breath of fresh air for the dirt bike market. Fans are expected to be patient in waiting for the official announcement from Yamaha to find out more about the superior specifications and features that this trail bike will offer. In the coming months, trail bike fans will continue to monitor developments in these rumors while waiting for confirmation from Yamaha. Let's just wait for official news from Yamaha regarding the presence of the Yamaha XT700 to satisfy the curiosity of trail bike fans around the world. So that's our review for today.